How to end Hinge conversation. Open up your Hinge dating application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage, tap on the chat bubble at the bottom right and this will bring up the conversation menu. Select the conversation you'd like to end and then from the chat page, tap the three dots at the top right. To end the conversation, you can simply stop replying to the person or simply tap on the unmatched button in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, tap the unmatched button again and this will then delete the match and the conversation you had with the person. Select any region from the display and that way you should be able to end a Hinge conversation if you no longer want to be connected or matched to a certain someone. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.